The next thing that we have to do is to calculate your total sales and your total purchases. So step 4, calculate total purchases, calculate total sales. Total sales is cash plus credit. So we calculate our cash and our credit in a previous step. So we go back up here to your debtors. We would have calculated our cash. So we would have calculated our cash figure for debtors, 42,400. And then as part of our cash account here, then we would have calculated our cash sales. So, sorry, your credit sales is 42,400 and your cash sales then is 248,400. So you're going to add those two together, and that's going to give your total sales to be 290,840. That goes into your trading. You can, if you want, to do a little adjustment here for closing stock here, because we do have goods in transit. Now you can do it here or as part of step 7. So your closing stock. So we'll see over here that goods with a sales value of 6,000, which had been sold on credit at a markup of 20%, had not been recorded in the books. So that is 6,000 is 120%. So you find out what 100% was. So 100% of the goods that we bought, the cost price of them were 5,000. So you're just going to reduce your closing stock by 5,000 because you haven't received them yet. They're in transit. Step 5 then, you're going to calculate your purchases. So once again, go back up to your creditors control account that we calculate here. Your creditors purchases is 52,200. Your cash purchase then would be in your cash account and purchases here that we have of 86,200. That's just taken straight here for your cash payments. So that's your cash. 86,200. You got your creditors down from our adjustment, 52,200. That gives you 138,400. And then remember that he's taking stock to the value of 100 per week. So it's going to be, you need to reduce that figure by 5,200. And that gives us 133,200. Okay, so your purchases are going to be reduced because this guy here, Murphy, he's taking goods from the stock, which is basically your purchases that you're going to sell on to get money from.